So now that we have a couple of brushes, we want to save these brushes so that we can use them over and over again and we don't have to go through the process of recreating the brushes. So we'll save this one here that we just finished in the previous tutorial or video. And you do that on the brushes panel. There is a icon that looks like a little library or books on a shelf. If I click on that, you can see that you can look at other brush types. Here's saved brushes. So I'm going to click on save brushes. And it's going to go to a default path in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to save it to a folder on my computer where I save most of my files. So I'm going to go to this project here. And we're just going to call this oval brush shape or oval shape brush. How about that? Shape brush. And we'll click save. And now that saves that brush. Now we'll go over to our rope one that we did earlier and we will do the same thing. We'll click on this, we'll save brushes, and I'm going to call this, put in the same location, and we'll call this rope shape brush. We'll save that. And now when we create a new project or a new image, you'll see that the brushes are initially empty. And to load the brush, we just go into the icon again and select other library. And it's going to look for those brush files. So we navigate out to where we saved them. And we can pick on that oval brush shape or the rope shape brush. We'll do them both. We'll pick that one. And you can see that it opens that one up. And then when we click on it, it adds it to our project. All right, so now we've got that one. And then we can go out and grab another one. We'll grab the other one we did. Same thing. This one was the oval shape brush. It shows up there. And now we have both of those. So now we have those two shapes that we can create in our new project.